I'm back with more DIY bodyworks tips, and today I am actually focusing on hand reflexology and acupressure, and want to provide just a general chart for you to jumpstart your journey. This particular chart here is good and beneficial for both reflexology and acupressure. I find that the points are pretty much similar in certain charts, and I think this is a good one for you to leverage. Also, within the description, there's a blog post as it relates to this particular chart here that will be very helpful for you, and it's all about acupuncture versus acupressure, and so it'd be good to educate yourself on those areas as well. But my recommendation is going to be that as you look at this particular chart, that you pick one or two areas of focus and just begin to work on those areas. You can make circular motions or just press them and just do it for maybe 60 seconds, no longer than 2 minutes per area, so to speak, as you're starting out. And yeah, so just take time to do that at least once or twice a week just to get yourself started. Of course, I highly recommend, I'm an advocate for the DIY body work and just the tremendous benefits that it brings to your experience. Also, I have to mention my publication, I Touch Myself and I Like It. It is a DIY self-massage, acupressure, reflexology, and reflexology journal recorder, and this particular resource will be very helpful for you as you are starting your process and able to record your journey and the benefits that you are getting from this experience. So there'll be information within the description below also for you to learn how to secure a copy of this publication. So I just wanted to share this and invite you to start this journey, but also too, not just to improve your own overall health and well-being, but also you can pass this information on to others and also begin to work on others, as well, who are in your family, friends and family, with using just these simple techniques. So I hope that this will be beneficial for you as you jumpstart your hand reflexology and acupressure journey. And definitely let me know how this benefits you. You can leave a comment below. And I look forward to bringing more videos of this nature to you soon.